Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'll tell you guys 7 tips and tricks that you can try out on your Mi Band 7. So let's get started. Starting off with the first tip, you can set heart rate notifications on your Mi Band like a very high heart rate, also known as tachycardia, or a very low heart rate known as bradycardia. This is a useful feature to detect abnormal heart rate. So to enable it, either you can go to menu on your Mi Band and choose heart rate, or you can simply tap on this heart rate icon on this watch face. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Here you will see heart rate too high and heart rate too low. Just adjust them according to your age and requirement. So that's it. Further, automatic blood oxygen monitoring is turned off by default on this Mi Band 7. You can turn it on as well. For that, just swipe up and go to menu on your Mi Band. Now tap on blood oxygen in the menu and scroll down. Tap on settings and enable the first option. You can also turn on blood oxygen notification present here. I would recommend you guys to set it to 90%. Next cool feature is the way you can put your phone to silent from your Mi Band. For that, go to menu by swiping up and now scroll down and tap on more. Here you will see silent option. Just tap it and now you can put your phone to ring mode or in silent mode just by a single tap. Try it out and let me know about this feature. Moving on to the next tip, you can lock your Mi Band. Yes, you can put a security lock on your Mi Band, and whenever you will put it down from your wrist, the band will automatically lock itself with a pin code. This is a handy feature if you don't want someone to mess around with your band. You can try it out. For this, open up Mi Band application on your phone and now choose device. Here under security section, tap on pin and enter your desired pin. It's a 6-digit pin, and yes, there is no setting as of now in this application to change pin code to a 4-digit number. Anyways, when you have turned it on, just remove your band from your wrist and test it out. With Mi Band 7, we have different watch faces, or they are calling it as band displays. You can download few more from the online store. For that, on your phone, open Mi Band application and now under device tap on band displays. These are the faces that I have downloaded. You can tap here to check out few more faces from the store. I really like the design of this time flies face. It has a retro vibe to it. So check them out and share the name of your favorite face in the comment section. Next, you can turn on wake screen for notifications. This is a handy feature that you can enable to see notifications on your band without pulling out your phone. For this, once again open up your Mi Band application and now under device tap on app notifications. Here turn on wake screen. If this option is turned off, only your band will vibrate, but when it is turned on, your band will vibrate and will also show notification without touching the display. Further, you can also choose custom notifications for each and every app, so you only get the most important notifications. Mi Band comes with a flashlight that you can enable by going into menu. Now scroll down and tap on more and choose flashlight. You can turn it on and off just by a single tap, so try it out. Next, you can add different widgets to your Mi Band. They are quite handy if you want to look at the necessary information in a short time. For that, go to Mi Band application on your phone and under device choose widgets. Here you can add widgets from this list. Also, you can change the order of each widget. After that, tap on the stick icon at the top and it will be synchronized to your band in no time. In the end, you can enable always on display mode on this Mi Band by going into settings present in menu and here choose display. Now tap on always on display mode and turn it on. It will consume a bit more battery, but you can try it out in smart mode or you can schedule it as well. So guys, these were some cool tips and tricks for your Mi Band 7. I hope you enjoyed them and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.